Can you refuse to answer questions in a deposition? Have you ever wondered what happens if you are asked a question during a deposition and you just do not want to answer? In the context of divorce and separation, depositions play a significant role in the legal process. They are part of the discovery process where parties involved are questioned under oath. This means that the answers given can be used in court if the case goes to trial. Now, let's talk about whether you can refuse to answer questions during a deposition. Generally, there are specific situations where you can say no to a question. One of the main reasons is privilege. For instance, if answering a question would violate attorney-client privilege or if it could incriminate you under the Fifth Amendment, you can refuse to answer. Another situation is if a court has issued a protective order. This order may limit what questions can be asked, and if a question falls outside those limits, you can refuse to answer it. Sometimes, your attorney might tell you not to answer a question because they plan to file a motion with the court to limit what can be discussed. In divorce cases, depositions often focus on sensitive topics like child custody, finances, and personal behavior. It is essential to answer questions truthfully and consistently. If you provide inconsistent answers, it could hurt your credibility in court. What happens if you refuse to answer without a valid reason? The opposing party may seek a court order to compel you to answer. If you do not comply, you could face sanctions, which might include paying costs related to the motions filed against you. While you cannot refuse to attend a deposition, hiring an attorney can be a smart move. An attorney will help you navigate the process and protect your rights. They can advise you on when to assert privileges or object to questions that seem irrelevant or harassing. Understanding your rights during a deposition can make a significant difference in your divorce proceedings. So, if you find yourself in this situation, remember the importance of knowing when you can refuse to answer questions and the potential consequences of doing so.